tables from Trekology that we're going to look at today. They are just about the same size in the package. This one's a little bit smaller. A little bit lighter. I'll put the specifics in the comments below so you can see exactly, but let's take a look at the little one first. Pretty simple, easy to put together. Unroll it. Unhook these, hook them across. Bing bang boom, there you go. So this one, when I first got this, I wasn't sure that it was going to be good to use at the beach because these legs are just like a knife. I thought they would just sink straight into the sand. But when I started using it, it surprisingly stays on top of the sand really well. Only goes in a half an inch, still a good inch and a half, 2 inches above the sand. So I'm really happy with this. And with these folding camp chairs that are also work better on the beach than I thought. They're pretty low, so this is a good height, but even better, when I just come to the beach with my beach blanket, my sand-free blanket, this is nice to have because I put it right in front of the blanket. It's low to the ground. Put my drinks and snacks on here, keep them off of the sand. Also have a flat surface so that your drink's not always trying to tip over. So this turned out to be a lot better than I thought. But they also, Trekology has one size bigger. So let's take a look at this one also so we can compare the two of them. Also, super lightweight, super easy to put together. This folds over, clicks in, folds over, clicks in, and I put this mesh on the part where the feet go, so if there's any sand on the feet, it goes right out of the mesh. Good idea. I have the bungee cord. So these have these two rails here that just click in to these notches here. You have to look at it and make sure you click them in right. And that's it. So this one is a little better height, but either one of these is great. We do tend to use this one a little bit more. They're both made from aircraft aluminum, so they're not going to rust. That was one of the things, because I've been using these for about 2 months. The thing I hate is when people do a video to show you a product review, and all they do is show you how to take it out of the box. I assume that you guys are all smart enough to figure out how to take these things out of the box. I've been using both of these for over 2 months now, and they're holding up good. You can see there's a little bit of wear and tear on the top of them. But I was worried if like these little rivets would rust, or if the salt and the sand air would have any problems, and so far it hasn't. We're gonna do more product reviews. I feel like this type of stuff are products that you didn't know you needed for the beach. Like you didn't know you needed a folding camp table made out of aircraft aluminum to take to the beach with you. But when you have it, it's awesome. It takes up almost zero room. I can fit both of these in my backpack with a sand-free blanket and microfiber towels and all my camera equipment and a ton of stuff. I'll do another video on everything and how it fits in my backpack. But like these are seriously one of those things that like you didn't know you needed it, but when you have it, you don't know how you live without it to begin with. And I also have links to the products in the description. If you feel like this would be something you'd like to have for the beach and you decide to buy from my site, I do make a small commission on it. It does help support the channel, and it's less time that I have to do real work, and I can spend more time in this office bringing you this content. So thank you very much. We do appreciate it. Click the like, click the dislike, make a comment, subscribe, If you really hated it, just ignore it. But I hope that you won't do that. But we're glad that you came by. Thanks for coming by How to Beach. You can check out my blog at howtobeach.com. I've got a Facebook channel. I've got this YouTube channel, all kinds of stuff going on. So thank you again, and we'll have more content coming out. So stay tuned.